Hi, on the first part we learned 4 macros and how we can hide different forms. So I did not tell you how to assign the macro. Right click on the button and assign macro name. Whichever macro we need we can assign. Go to developer tab. We can see in the general module we can see 4 macros. These 4 macros we are assigning here. When we click monthly updation, right click on there, assign macro, where we can see the macro name. So for the monthly entry and daily calendar we are assigning different macros. So go through here, click on recovery, see the macro name here. Here it is, click on COVID entry form. So now we are focusing here. We have to learn add new and cancel new. When we enter new data, new COVID details, we need to enter. We have a button cancel new and add new. This is when we click one button, one button will be hidden. When we click add new, cancel new will be hidden. Add new will be hidden and cancel new will be displayed. Unhide this part. We can see here a new entry. When we click add new, it will be true. When we click cancel new, it will be false, and add new will be displayed and cancel new will be hidden. See, so we can go through the codes. This is on COVID entry module. Click on COVID entry module, where we can see COVNEW with sheet 1. We are clearing all the 6 text boxes here. First of all, when we click add new, we are clearing all the text. Then E14.select. Go to E14.select. Click on here. The first cell will be selected. Next one, B1.value is equal to true. As I told before, B1 value always when we click add new, it will be true. Then one button will be hidden and the other button will be shown. The first button, add new button, will visible is false. Cancel new button visible is false, and the other one is true. The same way here we can see false with sheet 1. We are working on sheet 1. B1 value false and one button hidden, cancel new hidden, and the add new unhiding. This is the way we are making this. I hope you understand the second part. Third part will be soon. Thank you for watching.